Hey everyone, welcome to Huacachina.
So Huacachina is the only natural oasis in all of South America. So last night we took a night bus from Arequipa to Ica and then jumped on the 15-minute cab ride out here to the Huacachina oasis.
Yeah, we're here for one night and we already booked ourselves the buggy tour, which is gonna take us up to the sand dune and we're gonna do the sandboarding, watch the sunset. It should be fun.
Yeah, can't wait. It's gonna be awesome. We'll see you out there.
Yeah.
Walked all the way at the top of the sand dunes and now we're heading over to the Dune Buggies. It's like a million Dune Buggies up here.
Okay, hola. Aquí un momento.
Oh well, you get seriously plugged in.
Okay, perfect. Vamos, amigo.
Vamos, let's go. Alrighty, so we're all strapped into the Dune Buggy now and we're ready to go on our Dune Buggy mission. Are you ready? Let's go.
Let's go.
With the roar of the engine, we were off on our Dune Buggy adventure. We booked the tour through our hotel and it was great value for a 2-hour adrenaline hit. We spent the first 20 minutes speeding around the sand, going up and down the steep dunes and in between taking in the sweeping vistas. The Dune Buggy ride is like going on an out-of-control roller coaster. You really never know what is next and it made the ride even more exciting. We then stopped at some tall sand dunes, took in the vistas, and then did some sandboarding. One by one, we all rode our sandboards to the bottom of the dunes, then the driver would come collect us and take us to the next spot. And the dunes got higher and higher, and longer each time. It was absolutely amazing. It was so much fun riding down the huge dunes. It looked super dangerous, but we felt completely safe going down. Alright, let's see if I can film and go at the same time. Oh shit! Woo! Whoa! Hey! Oh! Nice. Is that are you winning? Ah, it was a good effort. Oh yeah.
Feet down, okay? Feet down.
Let it do it. Let Donald go.
Alright, this is the last hill for our sandboarding sledding. Straight down. Alright, here comes Nat.
Yeah, boy!
Our last stop on the Dune Buggy trip was to watch the sunset. The driver found a secluded spot where we watched the sun dip below the dunes before heading back to town. Hey, don't go anywhere. Stick around and watch one of our other videos in the Peru playlist.